A group of lawyers have taken legal action against a prominent government official in what they say is a stand for justice. The attorneys held a press conference on the steps of the magistrate's court today to explain why they believe the lawsuit is necessary. Fern Carey tells us more.
The removal of stenographers from the magistrate court is not sitting well with some attorneys, and they have now taken their fight to court. Spokesman Attorney Mura DeSille says they filed a lawsuit against the Attorney General after meeting with her and other relevant authorities.
Ourselves, we have already filed a constitutional motion, and we'll take it from there.
And with most of the appeals coming from the magistrate court, these lawyers say court stenographers are very important to ensure that every person gets a fair trial.
Real issue is the interest of all of us, because if they do it now, the question is how far are they going to go if we don't stand up for something. So we all have to stand up. Today it's the stenographers being taken out. Tomorrow, what is it going to be?
Would be in the advantage of swift justice to have those stenographers replaced, brought back into the magistrate court.
Now plans are already underway to have digital recorders in the magistrate court by September. The transcripts will be reportedly sent abroad, transcribed, and returned the next day. However, attorney Glendon Roll believes it is a step in the wrong direction.
It is a violation, basically, of one's constitutional rights, especially with our dialect, our culture. Law in itself is culture and should be respected as such.
Lawyers can request a stenographer in certain cases. However, DeSille claims requests have been made without success. Fern Carey, ZNS Network News.
ZNS News spoke with Attorney General Alison Maynard Gibson tonight on the pending lawsuit. The AG declined to comment on the case while the matter is before the court. However, she did have this to say about why the move was made to station court reporters at the Supreme Court.
The system is broken. There are inordinate adjournments and delays, which at the end of the day create injustice. And I want to say and assure the public that my team and I are not afraid to work for accused and victims to fix the system so that matters may routinely be brought onto trial within a reasonable period of time.
On the issue of foreigners transcribing testimony and the danger of important information being lost in translation, Maynard Gibson says that the vetting process is still ongoing.
We are at the moment seeking proposals for digital recording, and as I assured the bar already, that they will be a part of the entire process that we consider. And we're hoping to get this process in place by September.
She went on to point out that the Office of the Attorney General and the Ministry of Legal Affairs plays no role in granting attorney requests for court reporters in the lower courts. It's a process that is entirely in the hands of the Chief Justice, and according to the Attorney General, she has no reason to question his judgment.